What's up, what's up, what's up? We got the, what do you call, what's this again? The Outdoor Gourmet. Got it at Academy a couple of weeks ago for Father's Day. And this is how we're doing it. No indirect grilling here because we're cooking fish and some Korean barbecue. Here's my setup. Yeah, buddy. What's up? So we're cooking some stuffed fish, Filipino style, with onions and ginger and tomatoes and lemon, salt and pepper for seasoning, and that's about it. We've got tilapia here. We're gonna stuff them. So basically, we're doing this. I'm gonna stuff this guy with all this. I like the onions, so mine has the onions. Okay. And then we stuff it. Just like that. A few lemons. Trick here is to put it underneath the fish so it doesn't stick to the foil. That. I like extra onions, so I'm going to put extra onions in here. And that's it. Hopefully it closes up. Nice in there. That should steam nicely on the grill. Okay. Yep, this is Texas summer. It's June 2023, and it is a little hot. Gotta have a fan outdoors. Listen to some Hawaiian music. We got the Outdoor Gourmet. I think it's a 30-inch by 20. And we got some Filipino style fish in here. Bangus with vegetables in it. Coals all laid out, straight out, more towards the right, just because I'm going to be cooking some Korean short ribs as well. So these have been on here for about 15 minutes, and we're about 350 right now. Can't wait to eat. All right. I think we're about 30 minutes in, maybe less. We are hovering at just under 300, which is fine. I'm not trying to overcook these things. In the Outdoor Gourmet Academy 30-inch grill, I think, by 20. Direct heat, and we got some tilapia as well as bangus style or milkfish type. And this is what we are looking at right here. I opened them up so that I can get a little bit of heat in there. They've already been cooking for a while. I just opened them up, but that is what they look like. Here we go. Fish is all done. Let's take a look. Take a test. There's the veggies. Go on this one here. All right. Now we're doing some additional meats here. We got some ribs. Woohoo! Let's take a look. Marinated in Korean seasoning or barbecue. Marinate them in. There we go. Let it sizzle. Mmm. Should smell this thing. Go, my friends. Cook these. Woohoo! And we're going direct, so I got the charcoal spread out throughout the whole grill. So the beautiful thing about this grill is that you can raise the grate up. It's so awesome how you can do that. You use the hook tool. There's a hook tool that raises this up just like that. But man, these short ribs are looking really fine. We're getting hit right now. Look at that char mark there. One's a little overdone, but that's okay. It's short ribs. Look at that. Yum! Can't beat this. Oh! Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, here you go. Here you go. Look at that. Drive-by. Oh man. From this little 30-inch grill and charcoal.